the way we like to think about the market here is it's our super AI, and the market is aggregating a lot of information from a lot of investors, and those prices are forward-looking. AI may be good at organizing data, but currently it is not good at predicting the future, right? That's not typically what your chat functions are trying to do. And so the market is great at organizing data as well, reflecting all of that information to the price. And it is about trying to forecast the future. That's what those prices are. So our view is that the market is the best form of aggregating data that we have. And we're not that worried about AI allowing investors to come up with better prices or better ways of stock picking. And if it does provide investors insights, what are they going to do with those insights? Trade on them.
Trade, yeah, place to trade.
And what does that do to market prices? If those insights are good insights, it makes market prices better. And so even if there are good insights that you can glean from these tools, what it's going to do is make market prices better and therefore even harder to outguess in the future.